Hey guys, hi, good afternoon. You can see the count of the students is very low right now. We'll wait for some time, then we'll start. Please ask your friends, colleagues to join. Okay, thank you. Guys, still I can see the count of participants is very low. Please ask your friends, colleagues to join. We'll start in next 5 minutes. Okay, last 5 minutes, and we'll start. Please ask your friends to join. Thank you. Guys, hi. Very good evening to all the participants. I'm just sharing my screen. Still, I can see count is low. We are expecting many more participants. I don't know, even after multiple reminders, you're not responding to the instructions. So, just I would like to guys, please give me the confirmation, like if my screen is visible and my voice is audible to all the participants, yes or no. Please tell me. Can you please tell me, like if my screen is visible and my voice is audible to you? So can see one person responding. What about others? Is my voice not audible to you? Yes, no. Okay. So thank you for this confirmation, guys. So I believe I'm in a good network and pretty much well, so that we can go ahead in the session. Okay. So if you guys remember, guys, I have just I'm noting down all the key important things in the notes doc sheet. Okay, in this doc file. The name of this doc file is notes. So you can see here I have attached the Telegram group. Here I have also attached the recordings playlist. Okay, and this is the self-paced course that you need to complete. Okay, this is the self-paced. Yeah, chat is disabled. You can just post your concern in this Q&A section only. Okay, so in the self-paced course, guys, you have to do your you have to complete this self-paced course. This is the self-paced course that has to be completed. What is this? How you have to do it? Let me guide you quickly. Okay, so to complete self-paced course, either you can open it from your platform. Okay, there is the IBM skills build option. There are two actually skills self-paced course mentioned in your platform, but you have to select the IBM skills build option. Okay, this is the same link to that. Okay, this is the same link to that. So if you click on this link, you will be redirecting to the IBM skills build page. Okay, you will be redirecting to the IBM skills build page. Okay, by default, I'm logged into my skills build account, but in your case, you have to sign up. Okay, you need to sign up. Yes, Bhushan, okay, please wait. So what you need to do, you need to sign up. You will be, let me show you how it will look like. Okay, so 1 second. Let me again click on this link. So you can see here, it is redirecting me to this particular uh, IBM skills build page. Okay, so here all of you have to click on sign up, and you have to sign up with your registered email ID. You have to click on sign up with email, and then you have to sign up with your registered email ID. Okay, all of you have to sign up with your registered email ID. Provide your first name, provide your last name, provide your registered email ID, give a password. It should be 10 characters long. There should be one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, and one special character in your password. Okay, like this, you have to create a password and you have to click on submit. If in case you already have an email registered with IBM Skills Build account, in that case, go ahead with another email. Okay, but you have to create an account. You have to sign up. All right. So after sign up, you will be asking to log in. For example, let me log into my account. 1 second. Let me log into my account. Oh, 1 second. It's the password. Okay. So it is a very simple process, guys. Like how you have created an account on Gmail or any other portal. The same way you have to sign up and you have to create an account. Okay. Once you create an account, you will be redirecting to this particular item skills build page. Okay. And the course name will be reflecting here is getting started with data. So this is the course that you need to complete. Okay. This is the course that you need to complete. Okay. Getting started with data. I'll be sharing the link, guys, in a while. And below this course, in this right side, you can see here you will be getting an enroll option. As of now, I have already enrolled, so it is showing me unenroll. But for your case, since you're doing for the first time, you will be getting an enroll option. Okay, click on enroll option. Once you click on enroll, you will be getting this kind of interface. Getting started with data. The total duration for this course is 3 hours. Okay, the total duration of this self-paced course is 3 hours. Okay, here you have to follow these steps. You have to follow a creditly account information, and there are certain 3 courses. Okay, so these are the 3 courses that you have to complete. Okay, this is just an introduction to Tableau desktop. That is why we have introduced this self-paced course for data analytics. Okay, introduction to data concept 1 hour, then data science landscape 1 hour, and introduction to data Tableau desktop 1 hour. So this is the self-paced courses that you need to complete in 3 hours. Okay, the total duration is 3 hours. So once you successfully complete it, guys, you will be getting a badge or a sticker that you need to share it with us. Okay, all right. You have to share the badge or the sticker that you will be getting after completion of this course, that you will be sharing with us. Okay, the mode of sharing with us will be letting you know whether we have a Google form or you have to share it in your GitHub. We'll in the upcoming days. but you have to complete this self-paced course for compulsory. Okay, the another self-paced course which is there in your platform, you can skip that for now. Okay, we'll let you know if there is any other update, but for now please complete this, it is very mandatory. Okay, you are saying that you don't have this notes sheet, guys. I'll be copying this link and attaching it in the Telegram group also. Okay, I'm attaching the link in the Telegram group. Okay, all right, clear. And Angelina Nayak, you have to post that concern in the Telegram group so that my team will get back to you. All right, the respective team will get back to you. Am I clear to you, guys? Yes or no regarding the self-paced course? Please tell me. Clear? I hope you all have would follow the instructions that I've shared just now, and you can proceed and complete the self-paced courses. Just the 3 hours, guys. You can do it. Okay. Apart from that, you can just refer this notes sheet here. Here we have mentioned the Telegram group also. If you have not joined the Telegram group, please join. This is the recording playlist. You can click on this recording playlist and you can see the recordings of the previous sessions. And again, this is the self-paced course. And these are some notes I'm going to write down in during the sessions. All right. So shall we go ahead in the session? Shall we start and resume the session? Yes, no, quickly. Shall we continue in the session, guys? So before I proceed, can you just tell me what we have seen in the previous sessions? In the previous session, what do we have learned? Can you tell me? What do we have learned in the previous session? Can I get a quick reply from you all? What do we have learned in the previous session? Aditya, I already told you we will be sharing the recordings in the form of playlist. Okay, that I've already attached in the in our notes talk. Siddharth, Sean, by end of the session, we'll rediscuss it. Okay. Yes. So we have discussed in the previous session data analytics process, types of analytics, and introduction to BI. Great. So let's resume from where we have stopped, guys. So we have seen the data analysis. We have seen, let me seen business intelligence. I hope I'm sounding clear, so you can just understand. Okay. So just a quick revision. What is meaning of business intelligence? So business intelligence. So business intelligence is a technology that will help you uh, to make better decisions. Okay, how will you make better decisions? Actually, business intelligence is just going to transform your raw data into you can say an easy and understandable format using some kind of reports, charts, or graphs. Okay, so the next picture or the next thing that we need to learn today is BI architecture. Okay, so this diagram basically looks a bit scary, but it is very simple to understand. Okay, you have to look into this architecture from left to right. Okay, you have to look into this architecture from the left side to right side. Okay, so business intelligence architecture actually is composing of several key stages that is going to enable an organization to actually effectively manage and utilize their data for any kind of decision making. Okay, let's if you see here we have different stages like collect, integrate, store, analyze, distribute, and react, right? So we'll talk about each one of them one by one in detail. Okay, but before that, let me give you a small analogy. You have heard about this Lulu supermarket, right? Or let's say DMart, right? So DMart is located in multiple locations, right? It is located in Delhi, it is located in Mumbai, it is located in multiple parts of our country in various locations, right? And DMart is also offering services either through online also, right? We already have an offline stores for DMart as well as we also have an online store also for DMart, right? Online service is also offered by DMart, correct? So if you see, DMart is also storing their data in different locations. DMart might also have an headquarter which might be located in the south location or any other location, right? There will be any headquarter which will be located in any other location, right? From where they will be actually taking care of all the operations. Okay, there might be they might be having their IT operations situated in Bangalore. They might have their HR operations taking care by at Delhi location, right? So all of this data, whether it is related to HR, whether it is related to marketing, whether it is related to sales, all of them are located. It is scattered, right? It is scattered in different locations, right? So there is a possibility like they might be storing the data related to different terminologies in different ways, right? Some of the data might be located in CRM. Some of the data may be recorded in ERP. Let's say the sales data they are recording in database, and some other files they are maintaining. They might have some APIs, right? So this is nothing but the different data of DMarts. For example, I'm just taking an example of DMart. There might be any other organization also. They are having the data which is located in different locations in different format. Okay. So what collect is doing in collect stage, you are actually gathering the data of all the internal and external sources. Okay. You're gathering the data from all the external and internal sources. So how do you do it? Basically, you utilize some sort of data integration tool to actually extract this data from multiple files. Okay, it can be database, it can be files, API, CRM, ERP, any other source. Basically, you ensure that the data that is collected is in structured and organized manner. All right. I hope the collect is clear to all the participants. Yes, no, please tell me. Am I clear? Am I clear? Collect is clear, right? Yes, no, guys. Collect. We just discussed about collect. All right. See, guys, chat option is disabled. You have to post your concerns only in Q&A. Okay. So don't ask the same thing again. Why chat option is disabled? Okay. There was some reason because of which it has been disabled. All right. I'll talk on it. I'll talk on it. Aman Sagar, I will talk on it. Okay. Next, if you see here we have integrate stage. The main objective of integrate stage here is it is actually going to consolidate all the data from these multiple sources into a unified format. Okay, so how will it do it? It is going to use ETL technique, which is nothing but called as extract, transform, and load. This is a technique which is used to clean, transform, and integrate your data. Okay, basically, here it is ensuring that the data quality and consistency is maintained across different data sets. All right, this is the integrate part. Then you have store. Basically, in the store, we are actually maintaining a centralized repository for storing this integrated data. We have collected the data. Now this data is integrated into a centralized repository, into a centralized repository in some format. Okay. So basically here we are implementing a data warehouse, and in data warehouse, we are making some small chunks called data marts. Okay. This is used to store your structured and unstructured data. Okay. Along with that, we are also having some storage solutions so that we can efficiently retrieve the data which is present here inside this. Okay. For other scalability reason. Okay. So now we have got our data in our centralized repository, all the data. Now we can go with analyze. So basically in analyze stage, we're actually performing the data analysis to derive the insights and the trends. Okay. So what we will do here, we are actually going to use some BI tools here. Okay. So we are going to use some BI tools like Power BI or Tableau or any other BI tool so that we can create some wonderful visualizations or reports or dashboards so that we can present and we can actually uncover the patterns behind the data. Okay, so that is what we do in analyze. After that we have distribute. So here we are actually going to share the analyzed data from the previous stage and all those insights with the stakeholders. Okay, and how we do it? We basically publish dashboards, we generate reports, and even if required, we are going to publish them in the form of web page. For that, we use embedding techniques. Okay, for example, if you are publishing it on some public cloud, from there we can get the embeddings of those visuals that we have generated, and we can use those embeddings to integrate with a web page. Okay, for example, I have created or developed a dashboard and or a report. I will publish it and I will use the embeddings of those dashboard and report to integrate it into a HTML page. I can present that visualization into a web page. All right, that is what the meaning of embedding is here. And then finally, we have the React. So here we are actually taking informed actions based on the analyzed insights from the previous stages. Okay, so this is actually going to enable all the stakeholders, all the key decision makers actually take the data driven decisions. Okay, by using the previous insights. Okay, so here we can also implement some kind of mechanism for actually monitoring the key performance indicator, and also they can adapt some strategies based on the real-time data. So this is all about the business intelligence architecture. So we have collect, integrate, store, analyze, distribute, and create. So I hope it's clear, right? Clear? Am I clear? One second, guys. Sorry. Guys, I'm gone very slow. I hope you able to understand. DWH is nothing but data warehouse where we are storing the integrated data into that warehouse. Okay, for easier access of the entire data. Since we have the data scattered, so we are maintaining a data warehouse where we will be storing all the data. All right. So I hope the business intelligence architecture is clear to all the participants. All right. Now let's talk about the cycle. Okay, BI process cycle. So if you see here, in BI process cycle, we have different stages. So this is almost very much similar to the data analytics process. We have data collection, data processing, data storage, data analysis, action, decision measures. So what is data collection? In data collection, we are going to gather the information from different set of sources. It can be database, it can be any local file in your local system, and it can be any website, or it can be any other customer record. Okay, then you have data processing. So in data processing, you are actually to clean and organize your data so that you can remove all the errors and make it usable format. Then you have data storage. So here you're going to save the process data into a database, or it can be a cloud database, so that it is easily accessible. Okay, then you have data analysis. So here you are actually going to study the data in the form of charts, reports, or any other visual form using some BI tools called Power BI or Tableau. And using that, you can find those insights behind it. And finally, based on the visualizations and the insight you generate, you can make better decision and take necessary action. All right. Got it? Yes, Amit Rai, chat is disabled. Action decision measures. I have just now explained. Based on the insights, you're going to take your action or decisions or any kind of say measures that you want to take. All right. So if you remember, one second, guys, where's the sheet? We have discussed about small data and large data, right? Yes or no? Have we discussed about small data and large data? Yes or no? Please tell me. We have discussed it, right? For example, if there is a small data set, it can be easily managed using Excel sheets, right? But if there is a data which is very huge, it won't be managed using Excel sheets. It will be managed using Power BI. Why? Because Power BI is a very large data set. It can be easily managed using Excel sheets, right? But if there is a data which is very huge, it won't be managed using Power BI. Why? Because Power BI is a very large data set. It can be easily managed using Excel sheets, right? You won't get that good results. So in that scenarios, you have to use BI tools. Okay. In that scenario, you have to use BI tools. All right. In that scenario, you will be using BI tools. Now, what are the different kinds of BI tools available in the market? Let me show you. One second. Let me show you from the slide first, and I'll show you in the web. So if you see here, these are the different set of BI which are there in the market. So we have Power BI, we have ClickSense, okay, we have Tableau, we have Looker, IBM Cognos, we have Domo, etc. So Power BI is a Microsoft tool for creating interactive reports and dashboards. ClickSense is also a tool for data visualization and analysis, but it is quite little bit complex. Tableau is again a powerful tool for creating data visualization and insights. It is also a popular tool, okay, like Power BI. Looker is also a Google-owned tool for data exploration and business analytics. IBM Cognos is offered by IBM as the name suggests. So it is also a tool for reporting, analysis, and data visualization. Domo is also a cloud-based BI platform for real-time data analysis. Okay. So why do we use BI tools? Basically, BI tools will help you to make better decisions. They will create a wonderful reports and dashboards, and they will automate your data processing. Okay. So if I have to discuss about the differences between BI tools and Excel, so let me write down here. Difference between BI tools and Excel. So what are the difference between BI tools and Excel? So first of all, I will talk about the terms of scalability. Scalability. Okay. I will talk in the terms of scalability. See guys, BI tools are actually designed to handle a large volume of data, okay, from multiple sources very efficiently. Whereas Excel basically the performance of Excel can actually get degraded whenever it comes to large data set. Okay. So this becomes very difficult for it to manage and analyze the big data. Got it? Next point is based on data integration. Based on data integration. So if you see BI tools, they can get easily connected with various data sources. Let it be a database, let it be cloud services, let it be an API or any other thing. It can easily get integrated with the data and get it into a single platform. Whereas Excel has got some limitation in its ability, you can say, to actually get integrated with multiple data sources. Okay. It sometimes it also often requires like manual data import and consolidation. Third point, advanced analytics. So BI tools provides you a very advanced analytic capabilities, like it can give you data mining capability, it can give you complex aggregation capability, whereas Excel will give you only a basic statistical function, and it will also require some additional effort so that you can make use of some additional adding for any kind of advanced analytics. Okay. And if I talk in the terms of visualization and dashboard, BI will offer you more sophisticated data visualization options and interactive dashboards, which will allow the users to further create more dynamic reports. Okay. But whereas if you talk about Excel just provides you very basic charts and simple graphs, you can say, which will also lack interactivity. Okay. So this is what about, guys, is my voice breaking? Is my voice breaking? Come on, guys, can you tell me quickly? You cannot, can you tell me, is my voice breaking? No, no, no. Somebody says no. Somebody says yes. Come on, guys. I want one answer. Is my voice breaking? No, right? Guys, I'm in a good network. You can see my screen, right? It's showing actually a good network. I request you to please check your connection once. All right. So let's come back. Shall we come back? Shall we come back to the session now? Rajesh, once check your connectivity. My connection is problem, or else you can watch the recording. No issues. All right. Let me come back to the slides now. I think uh, E.A. Anshad Zalil, don't worry, we will get this recording. You can attend it later. Okay. Let's come back to the slide. Where is the slide? Now, there are different job roles in business analytics and data analytics. So you can see here we have business analyst. So basically, business analyst uses different tools like Power BI, Tableau, or Excel for creating dashboards and reports. Okay, so they actually help the businesses to make data-driven decisions. If I talk about machine learning engineer uses Python, R, TensorFlow, Scikit-learn for actually building AI models. So they develop predictive models and automations. If you see data engineers work with SQL, Apache Spark, Hadoop, AWS, so that they can manage and process big data. Okay, they prepare raw data for analysis. The statisticians here they uses R, SAS, Python for statistical modeling. They actually analyzes the trends and patterns in the data. Okay, then you have data analysts. Data analyst uses your Excel, uh, Power BI, Tableau to actually analyze and visualize the data. Okay, so they actually create insights and uh, the, understand the pattern from the large data sets. Whereas if I talk about data architects designs data systems using SQL, AWS, Azure, Snowflake. So they basically ensure that there's a smooth data storage and retrieval. Okay, so each role that you can see here has got they're actually using some specific tools to actually manage and analyze the data. Okay, so business analytics and data analysts, they focus on dashboards, while engineers and architects they are they are actually managing and structuring the data, whereas machine learning engineers and statisticians they are using some tools to develop models uh, and predictions. All right, got it. Okay, just give me a second, guys. Just a minute. Huh? Sorry. I try to reconnect my network if you are facing any issues. So I hope now I am clearly audible to all the participants and my screen is also visible. Quickly, guys. Yes, no, tell me. Yes, can you quickly respond? Okay. Thanks for this confirmation, guys. We'll continue. Okay. So we have just seen about what are the different job roles, right? Now we'll talk about uh, what are the duties and responsibilities of a data analyst in an organization. Okay. See, there are several duties and responsibilities of a data analyst. For example, collect data. Basically, a data analyst will gather the information from different sources. Okay, it can be database, spreadsheet, or any other online tool. He will be responsible to design and maintain database and systems. Okay, means they will organize and store the data very properly so that it can be used very efficiently. They will analyze and interpret the collected data. Means they will find the useful insights by studying different numbers, trends, and the patterns. They will understand the data trends and the patterns. Means they will identify like what is changing over the time and how it is impacting the business decisions. Along with that, they will prepare reports. Means they will create visual reports using Excel, Tableau, Power BI to explain their findings. Okay, and uh, they will determine the areas of improvement. Means they will suggest different ways to make the existing process more better using the data insights. All right, got it? Yes, no, please tell me. I hope this is pretty much clear to all the participants. Okay, now 1 second, guys. I think I'm getting uh, one important message. Just a second, sorry. You So I think the duties and responsibilities of a data analyst is clear to all the participants. So these are some key responsibilities and duties of a data analyst. Okay, I'm not saying like they have to do only this, but this is the most common duties and responsibilities of a data analyst in any specific organization if you're working as a data analyst. Okay, but there will be many more responsibilities. Okay, now let's talk about some business problems. Okay, so this slide that you can see, it's actually highlighting some common challenges which is faced by a sales organization. Okay, sales organization. So here you can see inconsistent or declining sales performance. See, this basically means if we are running any supermarket, any hypermarket, and we're responsible for sales, it's very much sure that sales is not going to be steady. Okay, it might drop, right? Next is limited understanding of customer segment and preferences. This says that business can struggle to actually categorize the kind of customers they have and their needs. Okay, inefficient in customer segmentation based on purchasing power. Basically, customers might not be grouped effectively based on their spending habits. Bottlenecks in the sales funnel, basically it means there are inefficiencies which can lead to slowing down the sales conversions. Okay, and last is nothing but lack of understanding about computer activities. So you need to understand about the computers. We don't have that enough knowledge about the computer, so it may be a reason which could lead us to stay behind our computers. Okay, the next picture that you can see here is nothing but about a small dashboard which can be created in Power BI. So here this Power BI is actually helping us to solve a business problem, which is a sales related issue. Okay, sales related challenge using data visualization and reporting. Okay, so you can see here we can try to sort out any specific issue using sales and customer dashboard. Okay, so Power BI can create some sort of interactive dashboards to track actually the sales performance and customer behavior. Then we have sales performance in product analytics. Basically, business can also analyze like which products are actually selling or performing very well, and they can identify the areas of improvement. Then you have sales forecasting. So Power BI can help us to predict the future sales trend based on the historical data. So how Power BI is benefiting us in this business, you can see clearly that we can convert the raw sales data into the actionable insights. Power BI can help us in making faster and smarter decisions, and they can optimize the sales strategies for better revenue and profit. Okay, so if you carefully see this particular picture, here we have a small dashboard. So here it is showing the total revenue, total expense, and total profit. In the second row, you can see there is a line graph which shows about the revenue, year-wise revenue. Okay, if I show you in the slide, you can see this is the total revenue by year, like the revenue is increasing on year basis. If you see the expenses is also increasing year on year basis, and you can see the profit is not stable. It is sometimes it is increasing, sometimes it's declining, and again sometimes increasing. Okay, so looking into these two pictures, we can understand that this is our problem. This is the specific problem in our business unit. Okay, you can see my expenses are increasing. Okay, you can see again the bifurcation of the total revenue. You can see the revenue contribution by different sectors, and this is the expenses by different sectors. Okay, so we can observe this dashboard very carefully, and we can understand that from which part we can cut down the expenses and increase our profit to make it more stable. Okay, so this is how we understand a specific dashboard. Okay, like if you see the expenses are increasing year on year, so we have to look into the expenses cost for different units, and we can cut down their expenses so that we can improvise in the profit. Am I clear to you guys? Yes or no? Please tell me. Okay, am I clear? Yes, no? Is it clear? Right. See guys, Souvik Sarkar, Ridhima Jain, I'm taking a pause. There are some non-technical students so that they can also understand. Okay, you can just later you can watch the recordings at 2x speeds so that you will have good speed to understand. Okay, Souvik Sarkar. Okay, in this picture we are just stating that from this picture we can understand that my revenue is increasing year on year, my expense is increasing year on year, which is a problem, and my profit is not stable because of this increasing expenses. Okay, so we can cut down our expenses and we can improvise the profit. This is what the insight I get from this dashboard. All right, and this is the action that we can take. We can cut down our expenses. Okay, this is the action. All right, all right. Now, let me open new slide. Before that, because we are just now going to talk about Power BI. Okay, let me first show you Power BI trend in the market. I hope everybody know about Power BI. So if I show you, I open Google Trend, and open it. Okay. First of all, let me show you most popular BI tools. If you see here, these are the list of most popular BI tools in the market. So we have Tableau, we have Power BI, Click, Looker, Zoho Analytics, Hisense, Domo, IBM Cognos, MicroStrategy. There are some more, but that is fine. So overall, these two tools are always on the top among all the Power BI tools. Okay, that is Microsoft Power BI and Tableau software. Okay, this is somewhat freely available, but this is somewhat charges has to be paid. Okay, some charges has to be paid. They have recently also Tableau has also recently given they have launched a special scheme like special tool called Tableau for Tableau Desktop for Public Edition. Okay, this is especially for students, so they can freely access it and they can learn this tool. Okay, whereas Microsoft Power BI is free of cost. All right, if you see the Google Trends, if you see the Google Trends, I hope Ridhima Jain, I don't know why you are saying that because I have just checked my connectivity. It's very good. Okay. Regarding the recordings and all, we'll discuss less. My network is good, guys. You can see this. Okay. Let me open this one. Yeah, Google Trends. If I open Google Trends, you can see that I'll try to show you the Google Trends for Power BI. Power BI. Okay, let me open Microsoft Power BI. So you can see here in this, in India, this is the past data. This is the interest on Microsoft Power BI over the time. Okay, this is past day. Let me make it past 5 years. So you can see the interest of using Power BI is increasing over the time among the people in India. Okay, it's increasing. Okay, it's increasing. This we cannot say it's declining. It's increasing only. Okay, if you see in some, any other country, let's say if I search it in New York, New York, okay, US, New York, and search, you can see it's again increasing. Okay, it's increasing in US. Okay, overall, if you see, if I search any other country, let's say if I search Australia, the other corner of the world. Okay, let me search Australia. So you can see this is somewhat graph for Australia also. It is also, you can say it's stable. It's not declining, it's stable. Okay. This is the interest of this Microsoft Power BI tool in the market. Okay. For these three countries. If you want to check for any other country, let's say if I want to check for New Zealand. New Zealand. Let's see. This is somewhat stable. Okay. If I search Germany, see how popular it is and how frequently it is used in all the tools. It's stable. This is also stable. Okay. All right. So this Google Trends actually says that how popularly it is used across the globe. Okay. Talking about the jobs available for Power BI, if you see jobs, one second, guys. Jobs in Power BI. Power BI. You can see here, you'll get n number of jobs available. Okay. So in Naukri.com, there are a number of jobs. You can see this is a list of jobs. Okay. 11,000 jobs in Power BI jobs in India. Okay. 6,000 jobs are posted in Indeed. And I'm very sure that there are n number of jobs also available. See, 27,000 plus Power BI jobs in United States. 4,400 Power BI jobs vacancies in India. This is a month. This is for Uttar Pradesh, only Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so like this, I mean to say that there are the jobs in using Power BI is very huge. Okay, to the people who are learning Power BI, uh, they can once learning it, they can add this in your resumes. Okay, yes, Souvik Sarkar, most of the companies are preferring Power BI or Tableau. Okay, these are the most popularly used tool in the industry. Either they use Tableau or Power BI. Okay, most of the time they set like the job description set the requirement for both of these tools. Got it? Am I clear to you guys? Yes, no, please tell me. Is it clear to you? All right. Okay. Well, good guys. Solving Sarkar, it's not about a detailed math you need to know. You need to have some basic calculation skills. Okay. There are preset of formulas which is already defined in the Power BI that you can use to develop the that you can use to develop the formulas. Okay, it's already there. You just have to call the command. Okay, and that practice will come to you when you do more practicals into this particular tool. All right. All right. So I just want to know like how many of you are holding computer systems right now, because I'm planning to get this tool installed in your systems. Okay. I'll launch a small poll to understand how many of you are ready with your systems. Okay. So I'm just launching this small poll. So please participate in this poll, guys. I want to see like how many of you are ready so that we can install this. Okay. No means you want to install it later. Okay. Yes means you are ready to install right now. No means you will install it later. Muhammad Zishan first. Any issue? Muhammad Zishan. Any issue? You can use Q&A section. Okay. Okay. We just launched a small poll, guys. The few people ready to get it installed. Few people are still not want to install. Uh, is there any disturbance, guys? Why I can see a lot of people saying that we are not unable to access Q&A section. Okay. Is there any issue? Okay. Let's do one. We'll take a small break. Okay. We'll take a small break and then we'll continue. Okay. Jishan, I was changing my network in between. So because of that, I was stuck with the network issue. But now I think I'm in a good network. Okay. I was trying to change my network because some of you were saying that network, my voice is breaking. So I just tried to change my network. Okay. I'm not sharing my screen Achya right now. Okay. If you see, this is my screen. You can see I'm actually, guys, I have to switch to my Zoho platform from the main screen back to the uh, Zoho platform so that only I will able to see your queries. Okay. Unless until I won't be able to see your queries. Got it? So let's take a break, guys. Then we'll continue. Okay. Then we'll see the installation of Power BI. We'll see what is Power BI. We'll see small introduction to Power BI also after the break. Okay. Thank you. Welcome back after the break. Okay. So I think most of you are again saying right regarding the self-paced course. So please don't worry about guys. I'll explain you with your platform. I have got some dummy platform credentials. So I'll be explaining you by showing you new platform also. Okay. Please wait for some more time. I'll be explaining you that also by end of the session. All right. So do not be in a hurry. Now let's continue with the other slide of the day that I wanted to discuss is nothing but understanding about Power BI. Okay, now we'll talk about understanding about Power BI. So let me do one thing. Let me take my notes on this another sheet. Then I will prepare it here for you. Okay, so I'm not writing any thing which is not that required. Okay, now, so I hope my voice is audible now. Let's start. Okay, so if you carefully see here, in this chapter, we are going to talk about what is Power BI, what are different features or services offered by Power BI. Okay, in these slides, the agenda is to understand about introduction to Power BI, the Power BI architecture, what is Power BI features, different types of data sources, overview of Power BI interface, and how we can connect to different data sources. Okay, so let's see if we cover the entire slides, but I will try to cover as much as possible. Okay, first of all, let's talk about like what is Power BI. Okay, so as you guys already know, Power BI is a business analytics service which is actually developed by Microsoft. Okay, so it provides you interactive visualizations and business intelligence capabilities so that it will enable all the users to create reports and dashboards, okay, using the data from different data sources. Okay, so Power BI is actually designed to help organizations to make data driven decisions. Okay, but how do we do that? They actually transform the raw data into some meaningful insights through Power Analytics tools. Okay, now I would like to take through you through the journey of history of Power BI. Okay, I'll I'll take you through history history of Power BI first. Okay, like first of all, we'll talk about year 2010. What happened in 2010? See, in year 2010, Microsoft initially developed Power BI like as a part of Excel based add-in. Okay, there was an add-in service. Power BI was a kind of add-in service for Excel. Okay, so it was given the name there as like Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. Okay, in 2013, these add-ins like Power Query, Power Editor, Power View, they actually got evolved into more standalone service. Okay, and in this year only, the product was formally branded as Power BI. Okay, in 2015, Microsoft officially launched Power BI as a cloud-based uh, analytics service. Okay, in 2015, Microsoft officially launched Power BI as a cloud-based analytics service. In 2017, this Power BI grew very rapidly. It gained popularity. It got integrated with other Microsoft services like Azure, Excel, and it also expanded its capabilities for more data visualization and collaboration. Okay, and if you talk about the present situation, uh, Power BI has got now became one of the leading tools in business intelligence. It offers extensive features for data connection. It offers transformation capabilities and building visualizations. It also has got advanced AI capabilities. Okay, I hope this is fair and clear to all the participants. Okay, all right. Now let's talk about some of the Power BI features. So you can see in this particular picture, there are some Power BI features which has been given here. First, we have data catalog. Data catalog. One second. First, we have data catalog. Let me write down here. Uh, Power BI features. Okay. First, we have data catalog. Okay. So, what is this feature used for? Why do we use it? So, see, basically, this data catalog feature is going to help you to organize and find your data assets very easily. Okay, so it is going to actually allow all the users to register, to annotate, and search for the respective data within an organization. Okay, so you can say that a data catalog is a kind of centralized repository. Okay, it is a centralized repository where you can store and organize the data. Okay, data assets. Okay, for example, let's say if you're working with data which are and the data is belonging to multiple departments, so then at that time you can make use of this data catalog to quickly search and access the data that you actually need for analysis. All right, that is data catalog. Then you have data management gateway. Data management gateway. Data management gateway. Okay. Then we have data management gateway. Now, what is data management gateway? Basically, data management gateway, it acts kind of a bridge. Okay, it acts like a bridge, which can allow you to get securely connected with your on-premises data sources. Okay, to the Power BI services. Okay, you can connect your on-premises data sources with the Power BI services very securely. Okay, so this is you can say this is a kind of a tool which is allowing you to securely connect and refresh the on-premises data in the cloud. Okay, so I'll write down here. So this is a tool which allows which allows to connect and refresh the on-premises data. Okay, for example, like if you have a data which is stored in your local server, you can use that data management gateway to sync it with Power BI. Okay, you can sync it with Power BI in the cloud, and you can analyze and visualize it. I hope this is clear, right? Akshay, Diman, I'm not audible. What about others? Am I not audible to you? Am I not audible? Am I not audible, guys? Tell me. Audible, right? Akshay, Diman, you need to check. Okay. So let's move ahead. So next we have Power BI Q&A. Okay. Next we have Power BI Q&A. Power BI Q&A. Okay. What is this feature? See guys, this is a tool that is allowing you to actually ask questions to Power BI in a natural language way. Okay. For example, you have got a data set and you can ask it like, what was the last month sales? So it will actually going to generate visualization based on your query. Okay. So this is, you can say this is a natural language feature. This is a natural language feature where you can ask questions about your data and get and get answers in form of charts and tables. Okay. So, for example, you can say straight away ask to Power BI like what was the sales last month, and then the Power BI is actually going to create a chart with the sales of the data that you have in Power BI automatically. Okay, I hope this is clear. Next is Power BI service. Next is Power BI service. BI service. Power BI service. Now, what is Power BI service? So see guys, Power BI service is a cloud-based platform where the users can actually create, share, collaborate on the reports and the dashboards. Okay. So you can say that this Power BI service is a kind of central hub for managing and distributing your reports. Okay. So what you can say here, it is a cloud based service for sharing, collaborating, distributing reports and dashboard. Okay, understand. After that, after that, uh, see guys, Power BI service. Let me tell you, Power BI service is not free. Okay, for using Power BI service, you need to have an organizational email or a college email. Means the domain of the email should be like it should not be like at gmail.com or at yahoo.com. It should be with the college name or the organization name. Okay, so don't worry, I'll come up with some alternative to showcase like how you can open an account on Power BI service. So Power BI service gives you only 60 days free trial. Okay, it is a paid one, so it gives you only 60 days free trial. Okay, so for example, like how you can use it, for example, like if you have created a report in Power BI desktop, you can publish it on Power BI service so that the other team members which are there in the organization can easily access and interact with it using online teaching. Okay, okay. Ajahn Jain will come up with some alternative. Okay, I'll come up with some alternative. I'll share the video also for it. Okay, next we have Power Query. Next we have Power Query. Now, what is Power Query? See, guys, Power Query is a kind of data connection tool, which will actually allow you to import and transform your data from different sources. Okay, so this is the place actually where you are actually going to clean, reshape, and combine your data before using it to create reports. Okay, so what is Power Query? It is a tool for uh, connecting. It is a tool for connecting, you can say transforming. I'm sorry if I'm writing down the spelling wrong. And cleaning, as I said, it's a spelling mistake. Sorry, cleaning, cleaning uh, data before analysis. Okay. So, for example, if you have just got a messy data, okay, you have got a messy data file, you can make use of this Power Query to actually remove all the unwanted columns. You can fix the errors and you can format the data for analysis in Power BI. All right. Next is where is that going? Yeah, next is Power Pivot. Power Pivot. Power Pivot. See, guys, Power Pivot is a kind of advanced data modeling technique or a tool which will help you to create, you can say, complex data models and some perform some more calculations using large data sets. Okay, so it is actually a very great tool for creating any kind of relationships, uh, kind of relationships between different set of tables, and you can also perform advanced calculations for them. Okay, so you can say that it is a tool uh, that allows to create complex data models in large data sets. Okay, For example, let's say in this situation, let's say you have got a sales data across multiple regions. You have sales for South region, you have sales of North region, you have sales for East region, like that. Okay, so Power Pivot is actually going to help you to create a model that is going to combine all this data all together for more deeper analysis. Okay, without affecting any kind of performance. Okay. Next we have Power View. Next we have Power View. Power View. So what is Power View? Hey guys, Power View is a main tool of Power BI Desktop. This is a main visualization tool that is going to enable you to create all the charts, all the graphs, all the maps. Okay, so it's focused actually on making your messy data easy to understand. Okay, you can actually explore your data visually in this section in Power View. Okay, so what is Power View? It is an interactive data exploration uh, and visualization. Visualization tool, so that you can create reports and dashboards. Okay. For example, you can just make a fuse of Power View and you can just drag and drop the fields of your data set to create your charts. You can create maps and you can create tables to explore the performance of the data very easily. All right. And finally, the last, you have Power Map. Power Map. Power Map. Now, what is Power Map? See, guys, Power Map is also a data visualization tool. Okay. Here you can actually plot a geographical and the data with geographical locations on a map. Okay, so this is going to actually enable you to see all the patterns and the trends across different locations over the time. Okay, so Power Map is it is used to visualize uh, trends. What is called a spelling mistake again? Visualize trends is used to is used to visualize. One second. Is is generally used for visualizing trends and patterns based on geography. All right. So all of these features, whatever we have discussed just now, they work together to empower the users to make data-driven decisions. Okay, so they connect, they analyze, and they visualize the data from multiple sources. So I hope this part is clear to you. The Power BI features. Okay. So this Power BI architecture is very much similar to like what we have seen in the BI architecture. So we have already seen the BI architecture. So here you can see, here we have a data preparation stage. Okay, this is a stage which involves like identifying and collecting the data from multiple sources. The sources can be like your databases, it can be SQL Server, it can be Oracle, it can be SAP HANA, and it can be other sources also like CSV files, Excel sheets, or text files, and other files. Okay, in extraction, basically your data is getting extracted from this source using the tool called Power Query. Okay, so you have heard about this tool, right? Power Query. So we are going to use the Power Query to extract this data from multiple sources. And same again, we are going to use transform here. So the extracted data is getting uh, cleaned, it is getting formatted, and it is going to transform to actually meet the requirement for your analysis. Okay, So this includes certain tasks like removing duplicates, handling missing values, creating new columns, aggregating the data, etc. Then you have this data warehouse. So in large organizations, data warehouse is used to store uh, and manage large volume of data. Okay. So the transformed data is then actually loaded into this data warehouse. Finally, you have your visualizations. So you do the data is organized in the form of data models. Basically, in data models, we are defining relationships between different tables. Then we are using Power BI Desktop to create interactive dashboards so that we can visualize the data. And we are also making use of the reports so that these reports are getting generated in different formats so that we can easily share and distribute them. Finally, we have the business user stage. So in this stage, the business users are getting the access and they're interacting with the dashboards and reports. They are gaining the insights from them and they're making decisions accordingly. Okay. So what are the tools that we're going to use here? So primarily we are using Power BI Desktop here, that is used for creating your dashboard and reports. Then we are using Power Query here, which is used for extracting and transforming. We're also using Power Pivot here for defining the data models and performing some sort of advanced data analytics. And we also have some data sources here, like various databases, file formats, etc. Okay. Then we have the next slide, that is, I hope you all are there along with me. You're not feeling sleep, right? Guys, I'm in a good network to check your connectivity. You can see I'm standing in a good network. Okay, I'll keep it for your reference. I'm can say that. All right. You have to check your connectivity. Sorry. The data to insights flow in Power BI. So in Power BI, the flow from data to insights is getting flowed in a very, you can say, in a structured process that is getting integrated with multiple components in the Power BI. Okay, so the first is data source. So this is nothing but kind of a data collection. So Power BI is getting connected with wide range of data sources, including database, cloud services, and some other online services. Okay, so this step actually involves selecting and importing the data into Power BI. Then you have ETL with Power Query. Okay, so in ETL, you are actually going to transform your data. Okay, so once you import your data, this Power Query is used here to clean, to transform, and to shape your data. Okay, so Power Query provides you a very user-friendly interface to remove all the unnecessary columns. It filters your rows, it merges data sets, and it creates a calculated columns. Okay, so this is where here you use extract, transform, and load stage. Then you have data view and model view for data modeling. So once the data is transformed, the data view and the model view are used here to define the relationship between different tables. Okay, they create calculated measures using DAX. They build data models which are used for analysis. Okay, so in short, this actually enables, you can say, a single data set for reporting and analysis. Okay, let's say you have multiple data sets. With the help of data view and model view, you get everything combined into a single source. Okay, then you have report view for creating dashboards and reports. So basically, the report view is a place where actually the users are creating interactive dashboards and reports using Power BI tools. Okay, so they develop charts, graphs, tables, which will be used to represent your data and generate the insights. Okay, so reports can also include some drill down capabilities. Drill down means you can go deeper into the data. Okay, you can get cross highlighted visualizations so that you can explore the data very interactively. Finally, you're also generating the insights. So once the dashboards and reports are created, you can publish them using the Power BI service, where this data can be shared with other people in the organizations. Okay, so Power BI will also provide you features for collaboration and sharing, so where the people can actually comment. Okay, and they can uh, look into it for more insight generation. Okay, so this is the flow of data to insight, which actually ensures that your raw data is actually getting transformed into some meaningful insights. Okay, through some structured modeling, uh, and you're following visualizations and sharing it to within the Power BI ecosystem. All right. So I hope this part is clear to all the participants. Okay. Now, guys, we are going to see the Power BI desktop installation. So I hope all of you are ready. So I have just launched a small poll, so we can see that most of you are ready to install Power BI desktop. Okay. So to install Power BI desktop, what you need to do, you need to go to a browser. Okay. I hope I'm audible. Can you just give me quickly a thumbs up, please? Can I get a thumbs up quickly? Okay. Let's see how to download and install Power BI desktop. Okay. To download and install Power BI desktop, you can go to a new browser. Okay. Here you have to type Power BI desktop download. Okay. Type Power BI desktop download, hit enter. Okay. Once you hit enter, you're getting the first option here, download Microsoft Power BI desktop from the official site. Okay. Click on this link. Click on this link. Click on this link. Once you click on this link, you can see here, I'm getting an option. Okay. You can see Archive the Extraordinary. This is the official Microsoft website. So here you're getting Microsoft Power BI desktop, and here it is an option given to select the language. It's English. Okay. Here you can see there are two versions, Power BI desktop 64 and 32-bit. So 64-bit is 786. Okay. So click on download button. Click on download button. Once you click on download button, you are getting two options, whether you want to download a 32-bit version or 64-bit version. Please download the version according to its system configurations. Okay. Since my system is 64-bit, so I'll be selecting this option. Okay. I'll be selecting these options. Are you able to follow me, guys? Yes or no? Please tell me. How to understand? Do you guys know how to understand whether my system is 32-bit or 64-bit? Yes or no? Please tell me. I'll share you guys the link. It's very simple, but still, if you want the link, I will share you. Mihir Sunar. Please find this link. Do you guys know how to find whether the system is 64-bit or 32-bit? Suman Saurabh says no. What about others? Yes, you can find it system informations. Okay. All of us has a different system, right? You can check it. There is my PC system information. So you can see this. My computer is, I think so, 64-bit. Is that gone? I used to check it with a different bit. This is a 64-bit. You can see 64-bit. Okay, 64-bit. Got it? If you downloaded a year ago, that is fine. You can just update it. You can uninstall and reinstall it. Okay. So please visit that site. Okay, that you have shared you just now. Go to this site. Okay. Here, scroll down, select the language English. Click on download button. Once you click on download button, you have to choose the specific option, whether it is a 64-bit or 32-bit. The one without into 64, it is a 32-bit one. Okay, mine is 64-bit, so I'll select 64-bit. The size of my file is 786 MB. Okay, so click on download. Once you click on download, you can see the download has started getting downloaded. Okay, my Power BI desktop here has got downloading is started. Okay, you can see in 4 minutes it will start downloading. Please complete it, guys. Please complete it. Please download it. Deepak Kumar, if you have already done, then please wait for others. Okay, please wait for others. The installation, the downloading and installation is very easy, guys. If you follow my steps, you can easily download and install Power BI desktop in your local system. It's very simple and very easy. It won't give any kind of issues. You can easily download and install it. So you can see it is getting downloaded very quickly. Kushipal, very good internet you have. So you can see just 2 more minutes, it will get downloaded. Just 2 more minutes, it will get downloaded, guys. Guys, is there any problem in my instructions you're not able to follow? Completion of the course, I think 10 days technical training session we have, Moita. Okay, on alternatives. I believe my instructions are very clear. And for your convenience, I'm also writing it down in your notes doc file also. Good jobs, Sudhanshu. Well done. So it will take 1 more minute for me to get it downloaded. This is the latest version, 786 MB. 2 more seconds. So what you need to do, simply click on next, next, next. If you have successfully downloaded, open the application and click on next, 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 next. That's it. It's as simple as you download any and install any specific game. Okay, it's as simple as that. It's not that complicated. You can simply click on next, 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 like that. It will get successfully downloaded and installed. Okay. Acharya has already installed. Others, if you have downloaded, please install it. You can see my installation has completed. I will go to my directory and I will where is that downloaded version? Yeah, I'll go to my directory. I'll show you. I have to open it. Okay. You need to open it. Select the language. Okay. Select the language. Click on next. It will give you confirmation. Select yes. Okay. I don't know. I have already installed. Let me see. Okay, I'm getting two options. Okay, sorry. I'll do it again. Next. Yes. You can see it's asking preparing to install. Okay. It is computing my space in my system. Okay. It's computing the space. Preparing to install. Says close this. Yes. Finish. That it is get compute my space in my system. How many of you have installed it? How many of you have installed it? Okay. I don't know. I think I'm already have my it in my system. Maybe because of that, it's taking too much of time. Otherwise, it's a simple next, next, next process. Why it is taking too much of time? Okay, I think few people have already installed. See, now I'm getting. So I will click on next. I will accept the terms and condition next, and this is the default location. And install. That's it. This is as simple as that. Okay. So since I'm doing it, it may take some couple of seconds, but it will get installed. All right. It will get installed. Srivastav, those signing process we'll discuss later. Okay, we'll discuss later because it's asking for public service account. Okay, Arun Chandra, where are you getting this environment option? It is not required. In the installation, it is not asking, then it is not required. Okay, so you can see my current version is also getting updated. I think you guys have installed it. Yes, no, please tell me, have you done it? Have you done the installation, guys? It's simple, right? Kilari Shamani, if you're finding that easy, you can do it. But I think the one that I've showed you is the most easiest one. Deepak, maybe by tomorrow you will get the recording updated. Okay, that you can watch it. All right. Guys, I can see some of you are asking me the edit access of the notes sheet that I cannot give you because if you edit something in that sheet, others will get deviated, right? I don't want others to get deviated, so please do not ask for any kind of edit permission for that sheet. Okay. Meanwhile, just give me a minute, guys. I'm stopping sharing my screen. I will reshare my screen in a while. Okay. I'm resharing my screen, guys. Just a minute. Entire screen I'll share. Sorry for this inconvenience. The Panshu, actually, I have already have installed this in my system. So maybe because of it is getting updated, so it is taking some time. Okay. So just for all the students, I'm showcasing again the Panshu. All right. So guys, when is our next session? Can somebody tell me? When is our next session? If you have seen the calendar carefully, when is our next session? If you see, guys, desktop, my training calendar, RBI. It's not on Friday. Sorry. Okay. If you see, guys, this is your calendar, right? Your session is you're having one AMA session. Friday there is no session. Okay. On Saturday you are having an AMA session. Like for example, if you have any queries in this week and you're not able to understand, you can join this session between 6 to 7. Okay. Whereas the technical training session, like from where we are stopping today and will resume on Monday only. Okay. This session is only for queries. All right. So next session is on Monday. If you have any queries, you can join this Saturday session for any kind of queries from 6 to 7. Okay. Clear? Yes or no? Am I clear? It's taking too much of time because I have a lot of work done before in my Power BI desktop. But I think for you guys, if it would have already got installed. Okay. Right. Let this get installed. Meanwhile, I will take you through your interface of Power BI. Sorry, of Smart Intelligence platform. So this kind of platform you will be getting. Okay, all of you please observe this very carefully. Okay, let this get installed. Meanwhile, I'll take you through platform. Okay, so this is your Smart Indians platform. Here you have to provide your credentials, provide your password, click on I'm not a robot, and click on sign in. Okay, click on sign in. Now you can go to skill wallet section. Here you have data analyst with Power BI. Click on access resources. I hope you are following. I hope you are following. I'm telling that only, guys. Please listen to me. Please listen to me. Otherwise, you have to watch the recordings only tomorrow. Okay. So once you log in, you have to go to skill wallet. You have to click on data analyst with Power BI. Okay. After that, here you have these courses. In courses, you are getting these two things: AI Skill Fest and IBM Skill Bits. This AI Skill Fest is not compulsory, guys, but this one is very mandatory. IBM Skills Build. Got it? Someone was asking me regarding AI Skills Fest. So AI Skills Fest is not compulsory. Okay. Mistapur, that is what I'm explaining. Please listen to me. Okay. So in the courses, you have these two courses, but this AI Skill Fest is not compulsory, but IBM Skill Builds is mandatory. You need to do it. This is compulsory. So how to do it? Click on Start Learning. Once you click on Start Learning, it will take you to IBM Skills Build page. Okay. It will take you to IBM Skills Build page. Once again, I'll click on Start Learning. It will take me to IBM Skills Build page. Okay. Here you have to click on Sign Up. Once you click on Sign Up, click on Sign Up with Email. Click on Sign Up with Email. Okay. Click on Sign Up with Email. After that, provide your first name, provide your last name, give your registered email ID here. Okay. Then provide your password. Follow this password requirement. It should be 10 characters long. There should be one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, and one special character. Okay. Provide such kind of password and then click on submit. Okay. Once you click on submit, you may get this login page. So log in into that. So I log in with my credentials. Just a minute. Sorry for this. Uh, okay. One second. What happened to my password? Hmm. Okay. Now it's taking the password. Okay. So once it takes your credentials properly, it will take you to this particular page, IBM Skills Build page. Okay. Here it will give you the course name. That is nothing but getting started with data. Okay. Getting started with data. The total duration for this course is 3 hours. Okay. It means in 3 hours, this course will get completed. Okay. Here, if you scroll down here, by default, it will be, you'll be getting an enroll option. Okay. I have already enrolled, so it is giving me an enroll option. But for your case, since you're doing for the first time, you'll be getting enroll option. You have to click on enroll. Once you are clicking on enroll, it will get enrolled for this course. Okay. Now you can start it. You can scroll down. You can first click on this thing. You can complete it in 5 minutes. Then these courses will get opened. So there are three courses under this main course: Introduction to Data Concepts, Data Science Landscape, Introduction to Tableau Desktop. Each of this course belongs to 1 hour each, and you can easily cover them in 3 hours. And finally, the credential informations, and you will be able to successfully complete this small course of 3 hours. After completing this course, you will be getting this badge. Okay, this badge you need to share it with us. Got it? Clear? Everybody, is it clear now? Clear? Yes or no? Please tell me. Self-paced course. Most probably the links are going to be same guys every day, but I will be trying to reshare it. Okay. I'm not getting regarding the batch. You have to enroll it. Yes, you have to enroll. Batch means you'll be getting a batch on completion. That batch you can have to share it with us. Okay. We will be providing you Google Forms or some other option how you have to share it with us. That we'll be telling you. We'll be guiding you. Okay. Don't worry on that. We will be guiding you like how you have to share that batch with us. Okay. Sovik Sarkar, that I have to check with my team. All right. Yes. If you see here, guys, I think the self-paced course is clear to all of you, right? So this is a platform. Later on in the group projects, you'll be getting the projects. Okay. These things we'll discuss later on. All right. Okay. Now, guys, if you see here, my Power BI desktop is installed. Okay. Let me click on finish and let me show you the interface, how it looks. Yes, need to create an Credly account, guys. Follow the steps which is mentioned in that course, and you can create the Credly account. All right. Now you can see this is my Power BI desktop page. Okay, this is my Power BI desktop. Okay, all right. So here we have home section, open section, sign in, options and settings, and about. Okay, if you click on about, you'll get about the Power BI desktop. Okay, so this is Power BI desktop. This is my current version, May 2025. This is user ID section ID. You can ignore this. Okay, all right. If I go to file again, it will take me back to the home page. Okay, uh, you're getting some options here called Angelica Nayak. That is fine, no issues. So do we need to finish first data analyst course, then IBM course until when is the school be? See guys, we are giving you certain self-paced course times, right? If you have seen your training calendar, we are conducting these sessions on alternate days, right? So in the days in which we are not conducting training days sessions, during that time you can complete this self-paced course. This is just a 3 hours course, guys. There is not that big logics to implement into that. Okay, simply go attend those 3 courses. You will easily finish them and you'll get a batch. That batch you need to share it with us. Okay, how to share it with us, what is the method, we will be guiding you in upcoming days. Okay, most probably we'll be sharing some Google form and you'll be sharing through that medium. All right. So this is your Power BI desktop interface. So sign in option, guys, you don't have to do it right now because it is asking you for your Power BI service account. That I will be guiding you in some time in the upcoming days. Okay, because it asks for the organizational email or college email. Okay, options and settings. If you go to options, you can see there are different options available. So this is the most important section in Power BI desktop. So this is taking care of all the features options which you're able to see inside your Power BI desktop. Okay, so this gets managed from here only. Regional setting is English India. Okay, so these all things, if you see updates, you can see this all things get managed from this only options only. All right. And some more things. This is open button. If you want to open any existing Power BI project, you can click on open. If you want to import any project, you can import it. If you want to export any project, you can export it. If you want to save any project, you can do it by save as option. Okay. Power BI desktop files are getting saved in PBIX extension only. Okay. No, you have to complete only IBM Skills Build course. Akshay Kumar. Okay. Power BI desktop are saved in PBX extension only. All right. No sign in is not required to use. To access Power BI desktop, you do not need sign in feature. I'll tell you when you use the sign in feature. Okay. All right. See guys, we'll stop for today. We'll see the other things in the next session. Okay. If you still have any queries, you can join the Saturday AMA session 6 to 7, where my mentor will be there to assist you. We will resume our technical training session on Monday. All right. So I hope I was able to give you good insights today about Power BI desktop. You can click on repair, okay, or else you can uninstall it properly from your system and reinstall it. Suman Saurabh, up to your choice. Okay. I hope I met your expectation today. Was pretty well. The session went good. you're able to follow during today's session. So I hope you are satisfied. So thank you so much, guys, for joining. We'll begin on Monday. If you have any doubt, you can the session. If you for any kind of queries, you can join on Saturday 6 to 7. Otherwise, we'll resume back on Monday. All right. Bye, guys. Good night. Take care. Bye all.